Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey all, welcome back to my channel. So first, I'm going to transfer this sketch from the trace paper by this graphite method. I'm going to use yellow and blue to get a light green. Using wet on wet technique and do a light wash. We are going to do negative painting technique today. It's done by painting background and not the object. Here, I'm drawing some leaves and painting it around by a darker shade of green. I have to build up several layers. Add more blue to make more darker shade. And you have to repeat the steps until it's full. Actually, you need 300 GSM paper for watercolor to handle many layers. I'm using 150 GSM. This can hold a few layers, so I'm good to go. If you are new to watercolor, your washes may be uneven. That doesn't matter for this technique. You are going to layer it up anyway. With a bit practice, it will be easy. Watercolor takes time. You have to build layers. I'm also new to watercolor. I have a long way to go. Don't be afraid to try. It's okay if you mess up. You can only get better with practice. So I'm going to repeat the whole steps again for the branch and the bird, just to layer up the colors. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, do it now and turn on the post notifications. So we are done, and for the most satisfying part. Okay, so this is gonna happen if your paper is not thick enough. What you have to do is place a paper under it and a butter paper over it, and maybe a trace paper also, and just on low heat iron it and put some weight and leave for an hour, and you can take it. It won't work for every paper, but still you can try it. It won't destroy your hard work anyways. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.